Assalamualaikum, I am Sanam Saeed and you're watching me on Something Hot. A quick interview of my role in मैं मंटो नहीं हूँ. 7 साल बाद वापस आई हूँ टीवी पे, तो एक छोटे रोल के साथ शुरू किया. बहुत मज़ा आया. So I hope to be back on your TV screens very soon. Don't forget to catch this interview.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मैं हूं आमना. आप देख रहे हैं समथिंग हॉट. दिस इज़ हॉट टॉक विद हु आई बिलीव टू बी पाकिस्तान्स मोस्ट प्रोलिफिक एक्ट्रेस. सनम सईद मेरे साथ हैं और सनम को हमने देखा है ओवर द इयर्स. देयर इज़ नथिंग दैट शी कांट डू. शी कैन डू थिएटर, शी सिंग्स एंड शी डांसेस फैंटास्टिक. शी कैन डू फिल्म, बेशक वो एक फैमिली ड्रामा हो सेंसिटिव किस्म का केक जैसा, या फिर वो उम्र और यार जैसी एक्शन फिल्म हो. ड्रामे उन्होंने हर किस्म के किए और ऑफ कोर्स हम सब का अल्टीमेट फेवरेट ज़िंदगी गुलजार है. लेकिन इस वक्त सनम जो हैं, ओ एंड बाय द वे एक प्रोजेक्ट्स पार्क भी हैं उनके बहुत ज़्यादा, सो बहुत सी बातें करने वाली हैं. बट इस वक्त सनम आई थिंक इज़ हैंडलिंग द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग रोल ऑफ हर लाइफ. शी इज़ अ न्यू मदर.
Oh,
How are you,
thank
Sanam?
you. I'm really good.
You
I'm
thought
really
I was
good.
going
Thank
to
you.
Manto, right? You thought most challenging role, Miss Manto, Miss Maria in Manto. But no, Sanam, how are you?
I'm really well.
Can I
thank
just
you.
first say you look fantastic.
Oh, thank
Motherhood suits you. You're glowing.
you.
And although the post-pregnancy and the delivery glow zara si kam ho jati hai,
Ah,
but it seems you're really enjoying this new role.
thank you. Thanks. Makeup.
No, it's not makeup. It's not makeup. It's you. And
Thanks.
you've had a really busy एक दो साल. मैंने लिखा है ऊपर उर्दू में बात करनी है. मैं उर्दू
अच्छा
में बात
ठीक
कर
है
रही.
हाँ.
एक दो साल काफ़ी बिजी रहे हैं. पिछले साल भी उम्र या यार काफ़ी देर से बन रही थी. वो आई, really well received. बरज़ख आया आई, and you know उस पे
सिंदूर खत्म हो रहा
conversation,
था.
सिंदूर ख़त्म हो रहा था. जो बचे हैं संग समेट लो,
वो हो रहा था.
तो
इनफैक्ट
वो भी हो
लास्ट ईयर
रहा
दिस
था.
टाइम लास्ट ईयर नहीं, but almost about maybe 15 months ago we were finishing that
हाँ,
and yeah
तो
it was
बहुत
busy
बहुत
काफी.
बिजी.
जी
एंड देन देयर मैं मंटो नहीं हूँ,
जी
जिसमें आपका किरदार है मिस मारिया का,
मारिया.
जिसमें हम बात करेंगे.
जी जी.
बट तो वहीं से शुरू करते हैं फिर.
हम्म.
सो सबसे पहले ये बताएं कि हाउ डिड द रोल कम टू यू एंड हाउ डिड यू एक्सेप्ट. बिकॉज ये बात हर बंदा सोचता है कि सनम इतनी जो यू आर अ वेरी वेरी गुड एक्टर, सो इन दिस रोल डजंट always seem to have that kind of depth, or has it not? I don't know.
It last year in June I got a call from Nadeem. I was finishing Jo Bache Hain Sang Samet Lo. I was in Europe and I got a call और उन्होंने कहा कि एक रोल है, टीचर है. I think you'd be good for it. I know that this role had been offered. That I know that मैं मंटो नहीं हूँ काफ़ी टाइम से बन रहा था. इसकी कास्ट बहुत फ़र्क थी पहले and it's been changing and evolving over the years. तो उन्होंने कहा एक रोल है, हुमायूं सजल तुम, all the other actors he took the names and I was like I've never worked with हुमायूं. ना सजल के साथ ना नदीम के साथ. नदीम बेग ने मुझे पहले 2 दफ़ा ऑफर्स की हैं and one I couldn't do about 11 years ago. That was with Humayun. Another project had come up and I said, Humayun, this is an opportunity, a big opportunity. Should I do it? Should I? He said, वो करो, ये आते रहेंगे ड्रामे. मैंने कहा ठीक है. वो दिन और आज का दिन, and he keeps saying, if you had done that role, तुम, मैं कहती कहाँ पहुँच जाती, यहीं पे होती जहाँ मैं हूँ. Then a second one came and a third one, मैं कहती अगर मैं नदीम साहब को मना करती तो this time he'll be like, चलो अब 3 no's means please don't ask me anymore.
Don't ask me
But
again.
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं थी. I just wasn't available all those times. So this time I was like, chalo. Nadeem has called me again. It's got Humayun. It's got Sajal. It's a KRQ script, but okay, let's see what we can do. I said जो भी है ठीक है, just tell me. He said I'm sending you the scenes. He said but जो अभी तुम वापस कब आ रही हो? We have 2 scenes to shoot or whatever. I said oh my god, I don't have time to read the whole script now. He said just read your parts. So this is the first time कि मैंने पूरा script नहीं पढ़ा, सिर्फ अपने parts पढ़े. And सिर्फ अपने parts जो मुझे मिले थे, I really enjoyed Miss Maria. I never played this a woman who lives in a अपनी जिंदगी में, मतलब she thinks वो उसकी बीवी है, जिस तरह वो बिहेव करती है. So it's sweet. She's just उसकी ना राइटिंग में उसकी कोई फैमिली का जिक्र नहीं है. अभी वो अकेली एक टीचर है, ये उनके कॉलीग हैं, दोनों एक टीचर कम्युनिटी में रहते हैं. And she's just, it's a one way street of love. He is clearly not interested in her उस तरह, but very dependent on her. दोस्त हैं दोनों. बस, और वो उसको प्यार है उससे, और वो इट्स ओके अगर वो उससे वापस प्यार नहीं करता, शी इज देयर फॉर हिम, व्हिच आई थॉट वाज वेरी स्वीट. आई हैवंट कम अक्रॉस अ कैरेक्टर लाइक दैट. And he said, I want sarees. I said, you are obsessed with sarees. आपके बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर साड़ियाँ पहनते हैं. तो बट मज़ा आया साड़ी पहन के, ऑल्दो एज इफ मैंने पहले साड़ी कभी पहनी नहीं है. दियारे दिल में, तलखियाँ में, that one with आखिरी स्टेशन, I was like, oh, I've done a lot of sarees, but what can we do differently? So then my makeup artist Sajid was like, अब सजल के straight बाल थे, तो नदीम ने कहा कुछ फ़र्क किस तरह, तो we said, let's just try the curly hair. I mean, it can be a hit or miss. Sajid had done Aiza's hair in one of the Eid plays, which turned out well. So we said, okay, do it. It's not the most heroine wali look, but I was like, that's never been my concern. Chalo karte. तो उस कैरेक्टर को बनाने में मज़ा आया. फिर I felt different. Curly बाल के साथ I was like, ये कौन है? So that was fun. Working with Humayun was sweet. My scenes with him, we shot in the house. घर पे scenes थे, BNU में scenes थे, और थोड़े से outdoor थे. मज़ा आया वो करके. Also, I was like 7 साल बाद मैं TV कर रही हूँ. Let me get my foot in the door again. मुझे ज़रा आदत series और फिल्मों की हो गई थी. Yes. Deedan was my last project.
Oh wow, 7 साल बाद.
Yes.
Okay.
So I needed to मतलब prepare myself कि हाँ कि सीरीज और फिल्म का जो माहौल है वो बिल्कुल ही फर्क है टीवी से.
बिल्कुल.
तो ज़रा सिस्टम में दोबारा आना, टाइमिंग्स, hurdles, makeup, hours, ये सारा, I was like, let me have a warm-up session. It was 30 days of work. I said, चलो, spread over a few months. So I said, ठीक है, done. And that's how Miss Maria happened, and that's how this project happened.
Yeah. I mean, in isolation, the way you're describing
it.
In isolation, Miss Maria वाकई fun character है.
ये क्यों क्या इतना कम रोल, मुझे वो कभी उससे तकलीफ नहीं हुई.
नहीं हुई, yeah.
मेरे साथ एक और हीरोइन है, नहीं है, छोटा रोल है, बड़ा रोल है. अगर मज़े का रोल है और आप सही से कर रहे हो तो फिर याद रहेगी. अब सब कश्यप से अब मिस मारिया पे आ गए. हाय मिस मारिया, ओ मिस मारिया, आप मिस मारिया.
हाँ, ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. एंड व्हाई नॉट. बहुत बड़ी कॉन्वर्सेशन टीचर और स्टूडेंट्स की जो रिलेशनशिप है उस पे शुरू हो गई है. मंटो साहब को मिस्टर मंटो को लेके और मिस मारिया को लेके, एंड ऑफ कोर्स मेमल को लेके, कि पहली बात तो ये कि जी इतनी बेतकल्लुफ़ी कहाँ होती है कि मिस मारिया ने जी नए स्टूडेंट्स में बर्थडे पे ही बुला लिया. और फिर दूसरा ये कि जो रोमांस दिखा रहे हैं पोटेंशियल बिटवीन मिस्टर मंटो एंड मेमल, उस पर बहुत सारी कॉन्वर्सेशन हो रही है. हाउ डू यू हियर दैट?
हाँ, ethically it's not right. मतलब teacher students cannot get into a relationship, and they won't while they मतलब जब तक आप उस student के teacher हैं और आप उनके वो शागिर्द हैं, आप शागिर्द सही बोला ना, तो फिर you can't be in a relationship. लेकिन अगर उसने यूनिवर्सिटी छोड़ दी है या छोड़ देगी क्योंकि उसको प्यार हो गया, तो that's जायज़. मतलब अगर आप 20 साल की लड़की से 40 साल का आदमी शादी कर सकता है, there's a 20-year difference there, तो this is also a 20-year difference. The student, I don't know, it's ethically not correct, लेकिन प्यार हो जाता है. The point of this script and this कहानी है कि हो जाता है. ना चाहते हुए भी कभी हो जाता है. आपको पता है गलत है, नहीं होना चाहिए. You try to make it as kosher as जिस तरह कर रहे हैं. वो immediately romantic notes नहीं लिख रहे, but you can see कि टेंशन है कि नहीं, ये प्यार मोहब्बत हो जाएगी, फ्लर्ट कर रही है.
गोली लेने को तैयार हूँ तुम्हारे लिए, गोली खाने को तैयार हूँ,
गोली खाने को,
चलाने को भी तैयार हूँ.
But eventually फिर इस बात पे आ जाता है कि yeah, I'm in love with you and I'll die for you. तो हो जाता है. It's a story.
Absolutely.
It's a story. Fiction है. रियलिटी थोड़ी, डॉक्यूमेंट्री थोड़ी है.
डू यू थिंक लोग बहुत सीरियसली लेते हैं ड्रामे? क्यों लेते हैं इतना सीरियसली?
क्योंकि हमने बहुत अच्छे ड्रामे दिए हैं जिसमें बहुत अच्छे सबक मिले हैं लोगों को, जहाँ पे अच्छे अच्छे रोल मॉडल्स देखने को मिले हैं लोगों को. तो जब एक ख़ास किस्म का एक्टर या एक्टर्स अलग काम करते हैं तो वो थोड़ा हिल जाते हैं लोग कि आपसे ये एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था. विच इज़ व्हाट दे से ना कि फ़लाँ एक्टर ने ये भी किया है, ये भी किया, ये क्यों किया? बिकॉज like I've always said on the interviews, we get bored. You want to diversify your portfolio also. हम लोग सबक सिखाने तो नहीं आए ना. हम लोग तो टीचर्स नहीं हैं. It's a privilege that हमारे ज़रिए आप लोगों को, ऑडियंस को एक मैसेज पहुंच जाता है and they get inspired. But we're just playing different roles and different characters. Some you'll like, some you'll hate, some you'll idolize, some you'll be like, why did you do this? Even we'll be like, why did we do this? But you won't know till you try it. Next time, maybe you know, we won't take a role that had a very negative impact, or maybe we won't do a role that was so small. We won't, matlab, it's okay, itna seriously
But
नहीं लेना
does an
चाहिए.
artist draw the line anywhere, सनम, कि नहीं ये वाकई problematic है, ये मैं
ये
नहीं
इतना
करूँ?
problematic नहीं था.
नहीं नहीं, ये तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था.
नहीं.
नहीं, दूसरी बात है कि for people who जो बहुत तनकीद कर रहे हैं, बहुत उनको मसला हो रहा है कि जी student टीचर रिलेशनशिप
उनको होना चाहिए, because ये
उनको होना
गलत
चाहिए,
है.
गलत है,
लेकिन हमारे
लेकिन होता
ड्रामे
भी है.
लेकिन हमारे ड्रामे की वजह से कोई ये नहीं देखेगा कि मंटो और महमल ने किया तो अब हम भी कर सकते हैं. भाई अगर उन्हें करना है रोमांस अपना या कुछ करना है वो करेंगे, उसके consequences they'll face, and if they know it's wrong. I mean, it happens, it's just a
अच्छा, so
story.
not related to मंटो, लेकिन ये बहुत कॉन्वर्सेशन आजकल लोग कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हम जो खबरों में सुन रहे हैं आजकल कि यू नो men who are pursuing women, popular women on social media, और रिजेक्शन आती है और फिर देयर आर मर्डर्स एंड गॉड फॉरबिड, यू नो, बहुत बुरे हालात. और ये लोगों का मानना है कि भाई ये चीज़ तो हो रही है, सोसाइटी में तो हो रही है, लेकिन टेलीविजन भी इसको परपेचुएट और मैनिफेस्ट कर रहा है.
Yes, serious issues like that, where it's a
Yeah.
life and death situation, I would agree. To show extremely toxic men being infatuated and life-threatening to a girl, and then idealizing that, like even in Manto Azan's character
Yeah.
is that toxic guy.
Absolutely.
But they're not. She's not eventually going to end up with him.
Yeah.
He's not going to become the hero of the show. That would be problematic.
Yeah. But हमने देखा है ड्रामा में ये
But
होते
हमने
हुए.
देखा है वहाँ पे. I guess I draw the line. I'd be like, ये ना ही दिखाएं तो बेहतर है, लेकिन अगर आपने दिखाना है तो I would rather step back from this
Right.
project than maybe.
Right. Right. Were you ever concerned that it's a KRQ script?
Very.
You were.
I was like, what am I doing? How am I doing this? But I was confident that I would now. In fact, I was confident that because of past scripts unke and past work that had gone by, कि अब चेंज आना ज़रूरी है. और अब अगर कोई लाइन्स या डायलॉग उस तरह के हैं तो अब someone like me can be like, I'm not saying this.
Yeah. Did you say that
Of
to any of
course.
your lines?
Of course, I didn't have too many, but my co-stars in the same scene,
Yeah.
I was like, you can't say this. You can't say this anymore. You have to change it. ये जो sentence है इसको reconstruct कर दो, एक दो words निकाल के swap कर दो, just so that it's PC, just so that it's sensitive, just so that it is not क्या बोलूं?
Problematic.
Not problematic.
Yeah, not problematic.
Just small things like an expression of like, you know, मैं उसको बताऊंगा, सुनाऊंगा was written a different way, but you can't say that anymore.
Yeah.
तो उसको change कराना या एक bad behavior को laugh off करना किसी के bad behavior को कि वो तो होता ही ऐसे. नहीं, ऐसे नहीं होता और ऐसे आप कह नहीं सकते.
Yeah.
I was like, that is where you need to be like, no, उसने गलत किया and he should be, you know, like repent for that. And Nadeem, like, and only Nadeem could do that. ना उनका फिर इतना गहरा रिश्ता है तो फिर वही और इतने काम इकट्ठे उन्होंने किया हुआ है. तो Nadeem had the क्या कहेंगे?
The power to change.
I didn't want to say power, but yes, he was able to do that.
He was able to do that.
He was able to do that.
Huh.
And the other actors were like, oh, I know Sajal also did a few of that in her scenes where she could, where she really was like, you know, but times are changing and I think one learns their lesson और आपने फिर करना होता है. So I was concerned, but I was also confident कि क्योंकि बेग साहब कर रहे हैं तो हम कुछ कह सकते हैं, कर सकते हैं अगर हम में सही नहीं लग रहा.
Right. Absolutely.
और उनको भी अब पता है कि अगर if you don't want to drown, then start listening to the woke actors at least or change things around.
Right, right. तो सनम 7 साल
आपको
हो
बहुत
गए.
ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लमेटिक चीज़ें लग रही हैं वैसे स्क्रिप्ट में?
नहीं,
अभी भी
नहीं, मुझे स्क्रिप्ट की सबसे प्रॉब्लमेटिक चीज़ स्क्रिप्ट ही लग रही है कि वो जिसको मैं अब फिलोसॉफिकल रैम्बलिंग्स कहती हूँ वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं. मगर मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि पिछले 2-3 हफ्ते से वो थोड़ी सी एडिट में शायद कट भी रही हैं बिकॉज इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं हो रही. बट आई जस्ट फेल्ट दैट you don't want it to happen all the time with every character.
I guess in this because मैं जब अम्मी और मोहिब के साथ देखती हूँ कभी तो मोहिब is just like man, no one understands this writing. It is really good writing. Like क्या बात और इतनी simple बात इतनी philosophically कह दी, उनको मजा आता है ऐसे dialogue सुन के. Whereas the rest of everyone is like, okay, we get the point, move on.
Move on.
So it's just a difference in your pace in life maybe. And for you guys, आप लोग इतना review drama आपको देखने होते हैं, because to review तो आपकी तो दिमाग की दही हो रही होती है कि best move on with
नहीं,
it.
ऊपर से हमने ये भी ट्रेंड भी देखे ना कि यार क्योंकि कैरेक्टर्स जनरली
हाँ.
सब ये करते हैं.
So if you're going to watch a KRQ script, then
This
know
is
what
what
to
you
expect.
expect. हाँ, exactly. You know what you
Yeah.
expect. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही है. But Sanam, 7 years, Deedan was also a complex drama. You know, northern areas में सब बना हुआ है. उस वक्त से अब तक, what difference do you see in the industry? आज जब आप बैठ के या 7 साल आपने जो observe किया,
कुछ नहीं, same.
nothing
नहीं.
changes for the better, changes for the worse,
On set,
everything.
on screen.
Quality
Both?
of dramas.
नहीं, हाँ, इसका एक another reason for saying yes to this was shot on a film camera.
Yeah, वो तो नजर आ रहा है.
Sets, the film, the lights. I was like, Salman bhai, up, I just did Shandur with him also there, and he does all the ads and here. So that was very exciting. It's the first time I saw a big shift. I was like, oh, well, really leveling up. अगर ये lights और cameras से हम TV का काम करें,
शायद
तो
और ना
फिर
कहीं मिले
इसका जो
आपको वैसे.
quality है is amazing.
Yeah.
And वाकई, I mean, look at the lighting and the shots and
the
the
frames are
set.
beautiful.
I shot Mera Naseeb in that Haveli type house.
Right.
And lots of things have happened in that house, but it was totally transformed with the art direction that was done. Panels were put on the wall, wallpaper was put, curtain, मतलब पूरा change किया था उस घर को.
बिल्कुल.
And so that was exciting to see कि 7 साल में ये change मैंने पहला इसमें देखा है.
नई locations हैं जो आप लोगों की community, teachers community, वो भी I think it's what, where is that?
It's supposed to be Lahore.
Lahore.
But
हाँ,
it was,
we know
okay.
that, but ये है कि
So yeah, so that we can say where it was shot.
Yeah, I mean,
it was in Behria.
Behria town में है जो पूरा लड़ाई वाला sequence है वो राया में
वो वाला राया,
वो तो
exactly.
जबरदस्त
Raya,
है.
BNU, my old college. I never studied in that campus. मेरा campus बहुत छोटा Zaffarelli Road पे बहुत छोटा था. This is like a full on.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
So it was exciting to go to BNU and like a full circle kind of come back to BNU. That location was really stunning. Raya, Behria, where our houses were, those little townhouses you don't get to see on screen. That Haveli house. The other house, Azan का जो घर बना हुआ है.
Key different locations. It's fun. Visually, it's spectacular. Even
and
performances. Performances, absolutely. Absolutely.
For the first time, I've appreciated filmy acting.
हाँ.
And Babar Ali and Simon.
क्या फर्क है?
भाई एक जो कहते हैं ठहराओ, अपना टाइम. बाबर भाई was telling me कि वो he's like मेरे तो कम सीन्स हैं, लेकिन मैंने कहा लेकिन इतने इम्पैक्टफुल हैं. he's like हमें आता है ना स्क्रीन टाइम लेना. अब देखिए मैं एक डायलॉग बोलूंगा, फिर मैं लुक दूंगा, फिर मैं ये करूंगा, स्क्रीन टाइम ले रहा हूँ ना. I was like, it's true.
Yeah.
But you are watching him and holding on to his every move. And Saima ji सौंफ खा रही है. अब कैसे यूजली आप ऐसे करके ऐसे खाते हो, ऐसे खाते हो, वो एक दाना लेके खा रही हैं. और जब ये कर रही हैं तो उनका हाथ यहाँ लिंगर करता है. And I'm like, oh my god, wow. When she turns, it's like the eyes look down first, then they look up, and I'm like, मास्टर क्लास. आप लोगों को ये कराची फिल्म स्कूल में जाके प्लीज एक्टिंग क्लासेस कोर्सेज करें, जस्ट ऑन कैमरा एक्टिंग, फिल्म एक्टिंग, बिहाइंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, हाउ टू एक्ट इज अ ह्यूज डील जो हम लोग नहीं सीखते. अपनी लाइट लेने, अपने एंगल लेना, अपना तो उनका जो साइमा जी का जो ठहराव था. एंड इट्स बिग स्क्रीन एक्टिंग.
इट्स बिग स्क्रीन एक्टिंग. हां, एब्सोल्युटली. उनकी तो अदा, हर चीज,
अदा
right from the first
Nazakat,
episode.
Ada, like everything, and so that was quite fascinating.
And she's a very grey character. I mean, it's
yeah,
I love
that's
that.
an excellent
I
character.
love that it's not a black
her
and
and
white.
Azan.
Yeah,
Azan
Azan तो grey नहीं है वैसे, लेकिन performance बहुत अच्छी है.
Azan has outdone himself.
Absolutely.
He's flawless. He's really good.
It makes you worry कि Azan है.
Yeah, very good.
तुमने कैसे कर लिया?
But it always happens. I started my career with a villainous role.
Yeah.
And after that, I would constantly get those for a little while. So you get your time, you get your chance. I mean, he's now definitely, up there, and
Absolutely.
people can't deny that talent.
No, he's really
And
good.
then,
He's
yeah.
really good. And that scene between him and Suraya is like fantastic. Pir Makki ke
Yeah.
It's good. It's good. वो तो बात बिल्कुल
Because
सही
he's
है.
so chill when he's doing it.
हाँ.
That's the thing.
हाँ.
He looks like a pagal majnu.
He does,
And he's,
he does.
no, it's good.
How challenging was it for you? You were expecting during the shoot.
Oh my God. Yes, that also happened. So I wasn't expecting.
Okay.
Then I was expecting. Then I was like, guys, my cutoff date is
हाँ.
this, because then what are you going to do?
हाँ.
मतलब I don't know कि कब दिखेगा कब नहीं दिखेगा,
साड़ियों
कितना
का
छुपा,
फायदा हो
साड़ियों
गया.
भी पहनी ये वो, और जितना मैं कहूँ कि ये मेरा कट ऑफ डेट है उतना ही उसके बाद शूट होती गई, because there were so many actors involved, like they couldn't manage everyone's dates, and then you have me, Sajal and Humayun, and just the three of us could never get together till I was 7 months pregnant.
Oh, you're 7 months on set
You
as
can
well.
see it sometimes.
No, like, you can't actually.
7 months
Kudos
pregnant.
to you, you can't, huh?
Yeah, 7. And I was like, yaar, Nadeem, मेरे 7 साल बाद my opening shots are going to be me pregnant. क्या उन्होंने सोचा था, साड़ी पहनती हुई मिस मारिया सीढ़ियों के ऊपर भागती भी आएगी, ये वो, कुछ नहीं हुआ, but कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, because that it was side से उन्होंने लिया, थोड़ा close लिया, sarees and water bottles and files
Totally hit it, yeah.
My face didn't change too much, so it was okay. मेरे कपड़े adjust होते गए. My makeup artist luckily is a jack of all trades, तो सुई धागा हमेशा तैयार था. कभी लूज कराना होता था, फिर कभी फिटिंग दोबारा करानी होती थी. So throughout my clothes have changed. But yeah, I was 7 months pregnant for most of my shoot.
Wow.
7.5 months pregnant. I was alone in Lahore for 3 weeks. I was like, अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है, करो चलो, let's do it.
But alhamdulillah, you had a smooth pregnancy,
yes.
so
maybe that's why they always, I've always heard कि आप जितना active रहोगे उतना.
हाँ, absolutely, absolutely. आप healthy हो तो active रह सकते हैं, so I guess it worked out. I guess it worked out. नहीं, but going back to my question, when I was asking you, बहुत सी लोग अब ये बात कर रहे हैं कि जी पहले जैसे ड्रामे अब नहीं बन रहे, और बहुत से बी या सी ग्रेड ड्रामे जो हैं उनको बहुत से व्यूज़ मिल जाते हैं, तो वो एक बेंचमार्क बन जाता है कि अच्छा ये अच्छे ड्रामे हैं, इनको ये व्यूज़ मिल रहे हैं, ये पॉपुलर हैं, ऐसे और ड्रामे बनाओ.
वो that's not because of, that's globally जो चेंज आया ना, ग्लोबली जितना सुपरफिशियल लोग हो गए सोशल मीडिया की वजह से, we're definitely not making those simple dramas that we did 12 years ago. Because times have changed. Your awam has changed, your audience has changed. They want that instant gratification, they want those punchlines, they want that, and that's why those numbers, I mean, audience कहेगी कि नहीं हमें वो simple कहानियाँ चाहिए. Parvarish was a simple कहानी, and it worked. कभी मैं कभी तुम worked because it was simple. You know, they loved the fact कि शलवार और t-shirt में आ रही है, but that was, everyone's done that before.
Yeah.
But it had been so long before they'd seen that something real again had come on screen, and it like jumped out. कि हाँ, तो audience है for that stuff. हाँ, क्यों नहीं बन रहा? क्योंकि writers have also hit a dead end. कितना उस तरह लिखे, same writers.
Absolutely.
So, and the new writers don't have that same aesthetic and value system, not value system, but that same aesthetic that the older writers had. So, but Parvarish was really, I really want to mention that I was really happy to see what Napa turned out to be.
Absolutely.
And the gems they gave us, from
good
the writer to the director to the, you know, two really powerful actors.
Yeah.
Napa was quite amazing in doing that.
Yeah.
And it's so important to have institutions like that, that with teachers and gurus like that. I mean, you had all our legendary actors and writers and directors who were the ustads of these guys. So I hope we have something like that again, because it makes a huge difference.
Huge difference. So Sanam, why did it take you 7 years to come back to television?
Why did it take me 7 years? Because the 2-3 scripts came my way. I didn't like them. One script came my way, but I had Shandur dates. Another script came my way, but I had Jo Bache Sang Samet Lo dates.
Coincidental.
So yeah, the film happened, COVID happened. उसमें 2 साल निकल गए. तो इस तरह वक्त गुजर 4 साल इन सीरीज में गुजर गए थे. इसलिए not कि मैं अब टीवी पे काम नहीं करूंगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. It just happened to be.
Just happened. So let's talk about Shandur. हो क्या रहा है? अब post May, things are tough between India and Pakistan.
Post May just changed the whole
changed the whole world, right?
Everything.
For us it changed a lot of things. और Shandur भी पाक हुआ हुआ है, तैयार है project, है ना? It's completely ready. जो बचे हैं संग समेट लो is also ready, and pretty much, और ये दोनों we're waiting. So
beats me. We have no idea.
Your work is done.
Well, I asked the team the other day कि अब जो ये जो फिल्म फवाद और उनकी वानी कपूर की जो डिले हो गई थी, now they're releasing it, but not in India, but they'll release it here. And Hanya's film, the fact that it was released here, that was amazing. I mean, what a star Diljit is.
Yeah.
That was brave. That was the right thing to do. That was a sensible thing to do, and almost honorable.
It was, yeah.
You know, so I think now that I think he gave everyone the confidence who that was in a similar situation like that.
नुकसान उठाया लेकिन.
नुकसान तो उठाया लेकिन उससे कम उठाया ना कि बिल्कुल ही ना आप रिलीज करें. वॉर मेक्स नुकसान तो होता है वॉर में. तो the fact that they went ahead with it, the producers went ahead with it, it changed something about the way we perceived. He basically made it look like art is, well, it wasn't him, it was the producers, because they had high stakes, but it kind of gave people the confidence and the strength to be like, let's put that aside. The Pakistani actor hai to ban them forever, Indian actor to ban them forever. It's like, move on, आप लोग अपना करें, हम लोग let us still do what we've done, because लोगों के पैसे लगे हैं, time लगा है.
So what's your take on that?
I think it was a great move that they released the film.
No, not that.
Oh.
India, Pakistan working together and these projects that are now waiting.
Well, it has changed the way we've all thought of things, because
Yeah.
I think, May made us rethink a lot of things the way we were initially gung-ho about it, not because we're hungry for that fame, just because we're hungry for art to collaborate and for artists to just work together.
Yeah.
Because we've seen those times. We always talk about this. It's like a घिसा हुआ record. Kara Film Festival जब होता था, वो लोग आते थे, हमारी फिल्में जाती थी, opportunities. It's just great to see. क्योंकि ज़बान एक है, इसलिए वो देश हमारे साथ जुड़ा हुआ होता है. अगर ज़बान और होती या हमारे English फिल्में उस तरह चलती, then we'd be back and forth with other countries.
Yeah.
But we're limited to this country only right now, because it's the same culture pretty much. So, but after May, maybe we're all taking a step back for now. There's no need. Also because of the way we saw, not just the way we saw that entire country react to what was happening. We reacted very differently.
Yeah.
There was less hate, or less like, we were much more tolerant, and we saw the bigger picture. I think छोटी चीज़ों पे हम लोग fixate नहीं हुए थे. And that left a really bad taste in our mouth.
It did. It
Yeah.
did. We became masters of memes.
We did.
I think our meme game is so
Yeah,
strong.
yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, it's proved.
That left a bad taste, so it's like, okay, see you later. Let's just focus on what we have. We've
Yeah.
always focused here, but when a good opportunity comes for change, we've taken that opportunity just for change. It got us no extra money, it got us no extra fame. It was just change. So now it's like, okay, अब जो कर लिया है वो अब इतनी मेहनत से जो बनाया है,
Yeah.
उसको अब लोग देख लें तो
बनाना चाहिए ना, अपने आप को
बिल्कुल बनाना
मजबूत
चाहिए.
करें और अपनी बेसिस को मजबूत करें, all that.
Well,
Shandur
hopefully
Sahib-
now we'll have that kind of financial support being injected into our project.
Where from? The government?
I don't know. Well, maybe.
कहते तो हैं गवर्नमेंट वाले,
Hopefully,
बातें तो
हाँ.
बहुत करते हैं, कमिटीज बिठाते रहते हैं कि टैक्सेस
There are film
कम कर
funds that are
देंगे,
now being
film
released,
funds
so
are
it's
being
happening
handled,
aahista
yeah.
aahista.
I hope so. I hope so. And I hope Shandur will find a platform to release on. I mean, I
Yeah,
don't know.
Shandur
it's
is
only
something
me.
that people would really enjoy.
Because, I mean, I don't know, but I had heard like it would be a kind of Zindagi Gulzar Part 2. I don't know, you and
नहीं,
Fawad
मतलब
coming together.
वो नकचड़ी लड़की from a different background and एक good-looking prince type आदमी from
हाँ.
another world, their worlds collide. So that's what Zindagi Gulzar was also.
Absolutely.
But it's more like my best friend's wedding.
हाँ.
You know, it's just an easy, romantic
Rom-com.
comedy drama
हाँ.
with beautiful sets and
this was how
beautiful
many
backdrops.
How many years after Zindagi Gulzar Hai did you shoot for Shandur?
Maybe
Zindagi
10?
Gulzar
10?
Hai? 10.
Huh. Yeah, that's the funny thing now with Fawad. Suddenly, 10 years later, we did 3 projects together.
हाँ ना?
Eh?
हाँ.
So strange.
Incidentally, जो बचे हैं संग समेट लो में भी you're together. इसमें भी and Barzakh में, although you were siblings, but चलो
But I
together
mean,
थे.
yeah.
But Shandur is a big one. It's a big
Yes.
one, is the romantic one.
Yeah,
What was the difference working with Fawad after 10 years on the same kind of a story?
We interacted a lot more on this set.
Okay.
We didn't interact much.
Was
the
this
first
after
time.
Barzakh का shoot or before, or timeline क्या बनता है?
This was after.
Shooting का timeline क्या है तीनों का?
Oh my God.
All over the place, mix and match.
Yeah, mix it, because Shandur, there was almost 1 year break. And before I shot, Shandur and Jo Bache Sang Samet Lo were back to back in the
Right.
end. It was like 12 days here, do that, catch a flight, and go finish the Europe spell. उससे पहले इस्लामाबाद में था, उससे I mean it was all over the
Yeah.
place, yeah. And Barzakh and वो भी 10 साल बाद तीनों पहाड़ों में. We were like, ये क्या हो गया है? शंदूर उस पहाड़ों में काफी बड़ा sequence जो बचे हैं was also a sequence पहाड़ों में, and of course Barzakh was all पहाड़ों में.
बहुत पहाड़ों में.
So
Something about
yeah, just
पहाड़.
coincidentally.
And दीदन भी पहाड़ों में था.
And Didan bhi. And Diyare Dil bhi. I've
Diyare
had a
Dil
lot
bhi.
of
You've done a
even
lot of
Talkhiyan was.
पहाड़ी
I've done
काम
a lot of
काफी
pahadi
किया.
kaam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh. So back to the shoot.
So 7 years.
7 years.
What
no,
change
10,
have I
10,
seen?
10 years.
10 years
between...
baad Fawad and I
हाँ.
collaborated. 7 years ago I did my last drama serial. What has changed? Not much. मतलब the system जो shoot करने का वही तरीका है, वही hours हैं, वो सब कुछ है. Stories भी are not classics. Like you didn't say 12 years ago. 12 years ago, there's a big change in storytelling. 7 years ago, not so much.
Not so much.
Just new faces, new actors. That's exciting to see.
है ना?
Yeah.
I think it is. I think we have a good pool of
I see
actors.
people are really tired of seeing like now the older actors are like, bus, now give room for the new blood. There is room. अब खुशाल को देखो.
Yeah.
बहुत कुछ कर रहा है खुशाल. And
what's your take on that though? जो लोग कहते हैं कि जी older actors in roles that are better suited to younger actors like college roles and all that.
उनका टाइम आएगा उन कॉलेज रोल बच्चों का. हम लोग अपना लास्ट निचोड़ के चले जाए ना. क्यों नहीं? What?
Would you do a college character?
Yeah, if the men can, why can't I?
Absolutely.
Yeah. I mean, I haven't
Should
had
the
work
men
done
do-
on my face. Maybe if I have some work done, or if I don't. Actually, not having work done makes you look younger.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, there's a innocence to your
It
face.
depends
or
how you're
there's a-
aging.
It also depends how you're aging.
It
That's true.
depends how you're aging. But should even the men be doing the college roles?
Should or shouldn't की बात नहीं है भाई. इंडिया में we always Brad Pitt अभी तक कर रहे हैं, शाहरुख खान अभी तक कर रहे हैं, तो फिर ये
College
लोग भी
roles तो
करेंगे.
नहीं करे ना सनम. Heroes कर रहे हैं.
Hello, Amir Khan, Three Idiots.
Yeah. Even that was 10 years ago.
Yeah. तो अभी कौन कॉलेज रोल कर रहा है? दानिश, फहद, हुमायूं. None of them are doing college roles.
No,
They also know themselves. खुद मना कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, हाँ.
Up until our 30s, we were doing college roles as girls.
If you look the part, I say, if you look the part, do
Yeah,
it. Absolutely. But you should look the part then.
Yeah, exactly.
Like if Amir Khan did a Three Idiots, he
Haan,
lost the weight,
yeah.
he changed his haircut, his face, everything. His body language changed. So if you have to do it, then look the part.
Yeah, look the part.
But you can't be a Muhammad Ali Zeba.
Yeah,
That ship has sailed.
But look at the dramas that are popular these days.
Haan.
Anything can happen. कपड़ों में से हाथ निकल रहे and all that.
Of course.
तो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
नहीं, वो तो fantasy है. That is like next level fantasy.
हाँ, that's also true.
कबर में से हाथ निकलना, सांप आ जाने gardens में, और ये तो सब fantasy चल रहा है. तो मजे का है. Have you been watching Pakistani dramas?
I was watching.
watch
no, I don't have the
Parvarish?
time to watch all of it. Parvarish, I would just see some scenes because I really like Bakhtawar's acting. And
she's so good.
I've worked with Meesam. So I was just curious to see what Napa students were getting up to, and I was like, you see it, the finesse in the writing, in the direction, the nuances in acting. ये सब सीखा हुआ है शौक से. But there was a discipline that they went through and for that diploma in Napa, and it shows when you put in that work.
Absolutely. What about film, Sanam? How much fun was Umra Yar for you?
Umra Yar was a lot of fun.
That was also a long shoot.
Yeah, I mean, again in Islamabad, it was cold.
Yeah.
It was the first project in the middle of COVID almost. A team I'd never worked with before. None of the actors except Ali Kazmi, and not the director or the team or anything. At first I was like, no, I can't do this. I'm always the guinea pig for new projects, new directors, first time directors. No, Asfar wasn't a first time director, but this project was a first time jump in the dark. But it was COVID, and I was like, when am I going to get to hang off cables and green screen and be the one superhero with 4 other boys? I'll be that girl.
Yeah.
So it was fun. It was fun. They're working towards another one.
I know.
Yeah.
Would you be part of it?
I won't be part of it. No,
Why?
It's a completely different. It's a completely new. कहानी अलग है, prequel है, तो cast बिल्कुल ही फर्क है. And it was tiring. It was a big commitment, and I would like to focus more on TV again.
Right.
I did the films; they were fun, but even
You
though I
did
whine and
several
complain, I
films.
know the power of television. I enjoy it. I appreciate it. I want to be a part of the good change. So I'd like to, and you have to stick around and have your hands in, both hands in it.
You would choose TV over film?
For now, because you said film is not
Not really
going
taking
anywhere.
off,
It's,
yeah.
it's an effort for people to drive out, जाके सिनेमा टिकट खरीदें, वो
Yeah.
सारा करें. सिनेमा घर इतने हैं नहीं. एफर्ट है जाके देखना. I mean, मैं जाके 2-3 फिल्म्स देखना चाह रही थी. I couldn't now because of the baby, but I saw one before and I was like, इतने महीने बाद मैं ये देखने आई. Hollywood film.
Yeah.
So disappointing. And I've seen 2-3 Hollywood films now in the cinema and I was like, what a waste of time, effort, money. So I get it कि आपको जब आप फिल्म बनाने जा रहे हो तो it's got to check all the boxes.
Yeah, absolutely.
लव गुरु नहीं देख पाई मैं नदीम से कहती रहती हूँ मुझे दिखा दें किसी तरह घर पे मैं देख लूँगी. But that did well.
That did well.
Anya's
There's even
film
a
did
Love Guru
well.
reference in Manto, by the way.
There is a love
है
guru.
ना?
Yeah.
So tell them, Miss Maria, I'm not a love guru.
I was
They
like,
hadn't even shot that. That just
अच्छा,
happened.
ये
It just
डाल
so
दिया.
happened.
हाँ, ये भी डाल दिया. मैं प्रोफेसर हूँ, मैं कोई love guru नहीं हूँ. Okay. How was it working with Humayun? You said the first time.
Yeah, first excellent.
Yeah.
He's really sweet. Humayun's not मेरी तरह है. वो इनके बिल्कुल कोई एयर्स नहीं है सेट पे. मेरा ये कर दो, मेरा वो कर दो. वो सब कुछ खुद कर रहे होते हैं. आराम से अपना कमरा नहीं कि oh no, oh that's Humayun's room. नहीं, जहाँ सब बैठे हुए उनके साथ बैठे हुए अपना खाना पीना बातें talking sharing. Being the producer also of the drama, Nadeem and Humayun, they were always around and it was always a laugh. It was comfortable. There was a lot of like conversation about the script, jokes about the script or not, or other work, future plan ki baatein. It was easy. Nadeem was like, I mean, I'm shocked that I was never paired with Humayun before. And Nadeem was like, I'm shocked you guys have never been paired before. I was like, yeah, I knew I'd pair well with Humayun. So he was like, okay, I see, I know another script. I can see this happening. I was like, yeah, bring it on because this time is ticking.
Did you guys ever discuss on set that जो मंटो का अपना कैरेक्टर है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं लिखा हुआ नहीं है या परफॉर्म नहीं हुआ या somehow देखते हुए ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि थोड़ा शॉर्ट चेंज हो गया
अच्छा,
है
for the
मंटो
first
का.
time I kept my mouth zipped. I was like, मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगी क्योंकि मैंने पूरा स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा नहीं है तो मैं बोल नहीं सकती ज़्यादा. Also like just obviously Nadeem Beg is Nadeem Beg for a reason.
Yeah.
He's gotten somewhere. He's for a reason. He knows what he's doing. So I shouldn't be putting my 2 cents in like मेरी आदत होती है. So if Humayun would do something funny, I'd be like when I couldn't help it, I'd be like, really? And he'd just laugh. Or I'd be like, Nadeem, can't we? He's like, no, this is how in this thing. Or he'd be like, you're right. Okay, let's do it like that. Or Humayun would be like, oh, do I have to do it like this? Can I do it this way? तो वो कर लेते थे उस तरह. But too many cooks spoil the broth. तो I think अगर एक
वो भी है
बंदे
ऐसा
का
लगता है ना
vision.
कि मंटो is like the title character but everybody is talking about every other character but मंटो.
हाँ, I agree कि वो title was a bit confusing. एक तो इतना बड़ा नाम. People obviously assume कि ये सादत हसन मंटो पे कुछ है.
Yeah.
Immediately उनको ये clarify करना था through obviously the teasers कि it's got nothing to do with the original Manto. And then title name being that, but not so much about, there's so many characters, it could have been named something else. It would have, yeah.
और फिर प्रोफेसर है ये भी कह रहा है मैंने पढ़ा हुआ नहीं है मंटो वो कौन है फिर इट्स लाइक okay.
There were some
kind of
loopholes like
loopholes
that.
हैं
Yes.
उसमें but I mean it's still ongoing and it's a good watch. It's an interesting watch.
अब टाइपिंग ने हम सबकी स्पेलिंग खराब कर दी. वो सबसे मिस हो गया ना हायरार्की. मैंने एडी से कहा एक्टर का ये भी कसूर नहीं है वो जल्दी में जो भी तो what were you guys doing? He's like it just looked because no one remembers phone numbers or autocorrect and mobile phones and contact saving and all that has dumbed us down.
Of course.
I was like no one caught the spelling mistake, you guys. I was like, would I have caught it if I was there? I hope so. But yeah, it was just really clear and evident how we're all affected by bad spelling and
totally
and bad memory.
हो जाता है कोई बात नहीं.
No, I know, but for a professor, because the role was a professor, it was like, whoa, okay,
हो गया.
That then कि मंटो नहीं पढ़ा. फड्डा
मुझे
नहीं
लगता है कि
पता।
मंटो का कैरेक्टर है प्रॉब्लमेटिक, मुझे प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं कि थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है कि उसकी समझ नहीं आ रही, थोड़ा लैकलस्टर है, लेकिन
बट ऐसे
शायद
लोग भी हैं,
ऐसे लोग हैं बिल्कुल हैं, लेकिन वो
तो
हीरो
यू
नहीं
नो
होते
लाइक
ना,
या
ड्रामे के हीरो नहीं होते वो, फिर
ऐसे
उन
लोग
पे
भी
उन पे
हैं, सो
ड्रामे नहीं
दैट्स
लिखे
व्हाई
जाते, इसलिए सबको उम्मीद है कि पता नहीं he's got some secrets that are going to be revealed with time, you
no,
know.
he's just a sweet endearing Pappu guy.
He's a sweet and endearing Papu guy who has a
Yeah.
backbone, by the way, and
Yeah.
he's fond of this girl, and say
He's a gentleman.
he's a gentleman.
He's very good to Miss Maria.
Yeah.
He's, you know, the hero for Mehman.
Does he not see that Miss Maria is in love with him?
No, it often happens when in
It does.
unrequited love, one way. It's like you see it, but like, what can you do? Like, you're not going to break her heart and be like, listen, I don't love you. You're just going to still
Go
let
ahead.
her in, let her walk into your house whenever she does and joke
Come into
about
your
her and come and say
bedroom
sorry
and
and yeah, let her take care of you.
yeah.
It's platonic, सही है.
Hmm.
ऐसा आप बहुत कम देखते हो सोसाइटी में कि इस तरह का, जाहिर है आप नहीं देख पाते.
Yeah.
इस
Did you say
तरह
this
की
off
friendship.
record or on record? कि you know, in her head she's very wifey to him.
हाँ,
मतलब बिल्कुल.
वो समझती कि उसकी, मतलब जिस तरह वो बिहेव कर रही है, इट्स लाइक वो उसकी बीवी है.
हाँ.
बट वो ये नहीं समझती कि उसकी बीवी है, बट इट्स जस्ट there's a comfort level. पड़ोसी हैं, कॉलीग्स हैं, उसे पसंद करती है, कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रही, उसका ख्याल ही रख रही है, और उसकी कोई फैमिली नहीं है, उसकी कोई फैमिली नहीं है, तो वो एक दूसरे का ख्याल रख रहे हैं. वो खाक उसका ख्याल रख रहा है,
वो तो कुछ नहीं कर रहा.
Miss
But
Maria
he's
रख
sweet.
रही है.
He's sweet. Sanam, how is motherhood going to change your choices, your acting, your career? 7 साल का ब्रेक तो लिया, लेकिन बीच में काम किया है, बहुत काम किया है. But अब what is changing now?
आप टाइम मैनेजमेंट. मैंने सोचा था मैं एटलीस्ट 6 महीने काम नहीं करूंगी. He's so small. How can I leave him with anyone or stress him out by bringing him on set? I was like, no, I'm in no rush. I can 7 साल नहीं किए, तो without having a child as the reason, so I can take my time.
Are you a nervous mother?
Not at all.
Not at all. Chilled
No,
out.
when I was younger, I used to think I was born to be a mother. मुझे 4 बच्चे चाहिए थे by the time I was 25 or 30.
Okay.
But no, so I was ready for this. 6 महीने, ऐसा वो 6 महीने को होगा तब तक I'll get back to work, but 1 or 2 good scripts came my way. And I was like, guys, I'm going to have a baby when you're shooting, so I don't think I can do that. I said, if you can wait till December next year, then, I mean, I said that to them last year in June or August. I said, if you can wait till December 2025, maybe we can do it. They still haven't done it. So they said, maybe. I was like, okay. Then another script came my way. बहुत अच्छा था. Perfect. It was a good team, good script and all that. But then last minute, Islamabad shift हुआ वो. So another great team, doing it there. But roll पे नाम लिखा होता है.
You were like, Islamabad तो मैं नहीं जा सकती.
I can't. I mean, I would have, before Wali, I would have easily gone there. But with a 3-month-old, I can't.
Is the set ever going to be a place where you can take a baby? जा सकते हैं?
A lot of my colleagues have done it, but they, the beauty of having a child younger is that the grandparents are younger. तो आपने बच्चा नानी दादी को दे दिया, and you don't have to think twice. I'd imagine. Yeah. But having a child later, the grandparents are now also in their 70s, so you can't just leave them. You still need to then either be there yourself or get help.
Yeah.
So sets where all of them used to have their mothers to help them. There's always been a room. Look, if the production team wants that actress और उनका भी बच्चा हुआ है, तो वो एक कमरा डिमांड कर सकती हैं कि मेरे ये टाइमिंग्स होंगी, मैं घर से इतने बजे आ सकती हूँ, इतने बजे जाना होगा मुझे. If she's feeding him, her, you take those breaks. Yeah, I mean, so they accommodate you as much as they can. क्या हो सकता है? हाँ, commercials पे बहुत करते हैं.
Yeah.
Even now when I was discussing this project, I was like, look, मैं पहले से बताती हूँ, I need XYZ things. They were like, आप पहले से बताएंगी तो आसान होता है. Last minute expect करेंगी कि ये होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा, and then तो मुश्किल होता है. But you tell us from now, and we'll try and have it done. And I was like, great, okay.
Excellent.
और फिर वो इस्लामाबाद मैंने कहा नहीं.
Let's not push it.
Yeah.
Let's not push it.
That would be impossible.
You wouldn't be able to do those पहाड़ी roles now. वो मुश्किल हो जाता.
मतलब just to be away, मैं बेबी को लेके इस्लामाबाद में मेरा सपोर्ट सिस्टम ही नहीं है. मोहब अपना काम कर रहे हैं, सास को ले आऊंगी, ठीक है, फिर there's a whole system that you have at
Absolutely.
home. You can't just, not yet, he's too small.
Although
can't even
Mohib's
hold
a
his neck out.
hands-on father, but
Completely,
still,
yeah.
So concluding with Manto, going back to मैं Manto नहीं हूँ. First time with Humayun Saeed.
Yes.
First time with Nadeem Beg.
Yes.
First KRQ script as
First
well.
KRQ script.
First time with Sajjal as well.
First time with all the actors.
Completely new cast and crew.
Bilkul.
Saima, Babar Ali, all of them, right? New. So how was working with Sajjal?
I was always waiting to work with her. She's a patakhi. She's like a little firecracker. She's just अपनी lines, अपना scene, अपना सब कुछ तैयार होके आती है. She's I don't know how much she preps for her lines because we'd have different timings. But it was amazing to see her go with her dialogues, not forget, give it her best every time. She's very funny. She and Beg Saab have a very funny relationship, like they'll tease each other. Her and Asif Saab were, a treat to watch, laughing, joking. And I was like, such a mature relationship and a really good image to put out there for people.
Yeah.
Is to not hold grudges and be like, ab inke saath kaam nahi ho sakta, inke saath, I mean, just, agar kisi ko takleef nahi hai, aapko kya takleef ho rahi hai?
Yeah.
So that was a good relationship to see, dynamic to see.
When have you been watching Manto as it airs?
I've been watching.
Have you watched? Would you have changed anything about Mehmil's character? Because Mehmil भी लोगों को confuse कर रही है.
हाँ, Mehmil भी confuse कर रही है. It's true. Like वो जो एक टीचर पे उसने उसकी बीवी पे जोक बनाया था, हाँ, it wasn't nice.
Yeah.
But I don't know अगर, and I'm saying this, and people like, a lot of my colleagues and friends who I saw were like, that was really inappropriate. But it's a character. This girl, वो दिखाया है that this girl is a बदतमीज, inappropriate girl. What she said was not nice. It was rude. It was obnoxious.
Yeah.
People shouldn't speak like that. But आप ऐसे characters दिखाओगे तो आपको एहसास होगा ना कि वो कितनी बदतमीज लड़की थी.
Yeah.
So that dynamic, and Sajjal did it so well, you know,
Yeah.
just with the big eyes and her innocent little face and the cheeky lookaways that she does. She just played that character the way it was written, the way she needed to. Is it confusing? It is a little bit because she's. But where is it confusing? Because वो उसका मुंह तो चलता है मंटो साहब के सामने भी, अपने अब्बा के सामने भी, अपने फूफो को भी सुनाती है. She is a cheeky, confident, overconfident brat.
मगर शादी करना भी चाह रही है हजरत के साथ, नहीं भी करना चाह रही है.
Because she's naughty.
She's naughty.
She's naughty because she knows she has to marry Hazrat. I mean, this is an infatuation with Manto. She knows the story
Which
teacher.
the Popo is trying to really drive hard कि नहीं तुम्हें मोहब्बत है, तुम blush कर रही है.
वो कर तो रही है इतना बात ना. Popo's like, I'm not dumb बेटा, तुम मेरे से ही बात करती हो, मुझे पता है. तो she's, but girls do that sometimes. We're not. Mehmil is not what she plays in Zal Patton Ke Band and the other characters. She's not, chammi.
She's not your typical.
She's not playing that character that you want to look up to right now. She's playing a character you might want to strangle. You might think, what is this girl? It's just another character out of the millions of characters that you come across in life and you read about in books and see in other movies. आप बाकी फिल्मों में, Hollywood के, Bollywood के फिल्मों में इस तरह के characters देखते हो. लेकिन जब आपकी अपनी एक जो इतने अच्छे powerful roles करती है, एक annoying role play करती है ना, तो it doesn't sit, it confuses audiences. The pool is so small, the content कम ही है, तो इसलिए हम लोग ज़्यादा जज्बाती हो जाते हैं, emotional हो जाते हैं चीज़ों के लिए. It's okay, होता है. I mean, I understand. She's just a naughty brat.
She's a naughty brat. सही है.
She's a naughty brat. He's a pappu. He's the villain, the charming villain.
Yeah, totally.
I'm the bichari Allah Miyan ki gaye, trying to.
I hope कि इतनी बिचारी भी नहीं है वैसे Miss Maria.
Bichari, like she won't get Manto.
She won't get Manto, obviously. Yeah.
She's going to help Manto get the girl.
Although she looks very good with Manto, I have to say.
Of course, they're age appropriate.
Yeah, they both look good together. I mean, everything, height, stature, profession, सब कुछ. Miss Maria and Mr. Manto look good together.
से कही थी अब हुमायूं और मैं अच्छे लग रहे हैं ना साथ. मुझे हमेशा पता था अब next think about our casting. He's like, I've already got it down.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, it would be a waste to just do this with Humayun.
Yeah.
So yeah, that would be.
So coming back to and concluding with Miss Maria's styling, because the sarees have become also a topic of conversation.
Sarees
beautiful
become
sarees.
Sarees have become something that girls are really enjoying wearing. Fatma wears them beautifully. Fatma Amjad, that beautiful
Of
dancer who
course,
also
of
plays
course.
Madiha.
Of course.
Um, you know, so she's also inspiring young girls to wear a sari so casually and
Yeah.
gracefully.
Yeah.
And there are so many local girls who ab sariyan bana rahi hain ready made.
Hmm.
I'd love to give them a shout out. Sorry if I forget any, but the ones that really helped me were Sarika, already popular among girls, the Sari Girl, Hathgar, these are already really popular names, Neem Block Prints, and then of course mine and Sajal's favorite, Bohem, Kavan
Bohem.
Auntie,
Yeah.
our wardrobe.
So who put the wardrobe together?
Sajal's was done by pure Sajal's, and I think Saimaji's was purely done by Kaval Auntie. My shalwar kameez parts were Kaval Auntie, and my saris, I did my wardrobe. I think Sajal has often worked with Kaval Auntie, तो उनका एक Nadeem, but I know कि Nadeem जाते थे कावल आंटी के स्टूडियो और कहते थे ये बटन, ये मटेरियल नहीं, मुझे ये वाला कॉटन चाहिए, ये वाली चिकनकारी चाहिए, और वो फुप्पो के कपड़ों में नजर आ रहा है. हुमायूं के जो कुर्ते हैं, I don't know if people have noticed, but those are really well tailored. बहुत अच्छा मटेरियल है, वो भी कावल आंटी ने किया है. तो स्टाइलिंग
फर्क पड़ता है ना,
बहुत फर्क
पड़ता है स्टाइलिंग से.
एंड आजकल तो, अब पहले तो नहीं पड़ता था, अब तो आई सी के यू सेट ट्रेंड, हमारे ड्रामों के जरिए अब ट्रेंड सेट होती है. आयजा has shot up because of her dramas, her styling in her dramas are from her clips to her shoes to the jewelry, and I hear that she is very organized. Nothing is left to production. That's all her. Every scene she's got the notes down कि इसमें कौन सा clip होगा, किसके साथ होगा. She and her team, personal team, have it down packed, and that's the way to go. And it's noticeable. Her wardrobe is always something to be like, wow. And a lot of dramas now, or a lot of the actors and actresses are really अपने कपड़ों पे बहुत तवज्जो दे रहे हैं, क्योंकि लोगों को देखना है क्या पहने. और मैं और सजल अक्सर कम उस तरह करते हैं. हम लोग काफी बेसिक कपड़े पहनते हैं, कुछ ज्यादा रियलिस्टिक उसमें फंस जाते हैं. हमें उसी में मजा आता है.
मगर अभी साड़ियों में मजा आया.
साड़ी, बट अगेन देयर जस्ट बेसिक साड़ीज. आई मीन आप उसके साड़ियां देखिए हिरामानी के डायन में, दोज आर लाइक ब्लाउजेस पे काम किया गया है. उसके बेल पे उसके.
Okay, Sanam, I see you've got a guilty pleasure watching Diane now. I
can't miss those clips.
Putting Wali to bed and watching Diane every day.
No, watching Hiramani.
Hiramani, yes, this is your guilty pleasure now, watching Hiramani and Diane.
So, you know, she's you can see the effort in Hira's sarees. They're quite top notch.
Yeah.
And then mine are just cotton sarees that I just mix.
No, they're nice sarees. The only problem we had was with the hair, so we're hopefully not doing the curls again.
We're not. No, that was. I mean, I'd never repeat it over and over, but just to be different. और क्योंकि हम अपने बाल काटते नहीं हैं. नहीं. हम डाई नहीं करते. Wigs हमारे उस लेवल तक पहुंचे नहीं हैं. तो हम और क्या कर सकते हैं.
लेकिन जब साया ने एक स्ट्रेट ब्लो ड्राई अपनी बर्थडे पे कराया था, वो बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा था.
अपनी बर्थडे पे एक दफा, you know, Nadeem wanted a difference between mine and Sajal's hair.
Yeah.
So if she's got the straight long hair, then what is it that I can do differently? That's why I had it up a lot. But you know, the hair is 50-50. Some people are like, it's the best look, that you've looked the best.
Really?
Some people are like, whoa, that was too much. Some people are like, never do that again. You know, so it's just been different. So it was, because it was a small role, I was like, let's experiment with different hair. And yeah, it was...
Small role, baby steps back into television.
It was, I was like, oh Allah, ye hai TV. But ठीक है. But हाँ, अच्छी बात ये कि उसे यही है. यही है. करना है. We can make a difference. जब बोर होते हैं तो कुछ और कर लेंगे. जब चैलेंज चाहिए कुछ और कर लेंगे. ब्रेक लेनी है, ब्रेक ले लें. TV is always there with arms open wide.
I love that. I love that. Yeah, absolutely. Hoping to see you.
Thank you.
In your big 2 projects that you're mentioning.
Well, no, the one has gone to Islamabad and one hasn't been done yet. So let's see. That's also a new team.
Hopefully you won't be taking these big breaks again.
Yeah. No, I think it's been a while. Inshallah. और अब वली के लिए अब देखते हैं कितना आसान होता है. अभी पहली दफा मैं इतना लेट हुई हूँ एक अपॉइंटमेंट पे with you.
No.
With the interview. I'm just saying that now I don't know timing. कि मैं
भाई ठीक है ना. Priorities change. Prioritize करना पड़ता है बच्चों को. Of course, always. But it's been fun talking to you as always.
But thanks for having me.
And you look class lovely as always.
Like the haircut. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Sanam. Thank you for taking time out baby time out.
Baby
And
time
apologies
out,
to
yeah.
Wali. Check kar lo phone mein, everything is okay back there.
Okay, no missed calls yet.
No missed calls yet, so everything is peaceful back at home. And we were excited about seeing where Manto is going.
हाँ अभी 50% बाकी है.
Yeah, 50% Baki, and I hope
Yeah.
that Shandur also finds a platform.
Inshallah,
At some
inshallah.
point,
'Cause
we
that's
would
a
love
good
to see
project.
that ये rom-com happening. I think बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Yeah.
And जो बचे हैं संग समेत लो, of
Yes.
course.
Fingers crossed.
So yeah, good luck for those two.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sanam.
Thanks.